No matter which MONAT shampoo you use, the technique for cleansing your hair is going to be the same. Depending on how long and thick your hair is, apply a nickel to quarter-size drop of shampoo to the palm of one hand. Rub both hands together to emulsify while distributing equally to both hands. Beginning at the crown, gently massage shampoo into your hair, distributing the product down the length to the ends, in a similar motion you'd use if you were pulling your hair back into a ponytail. With the first wash, you may notice that the shampoo doesn't create the suds you might be used to, and that's okay. This simply means that your shampoo is doing its job of breaking down residual product buildup, as well as any excessive oils and environmental pollutants. Rinse thoroughly. Next, apply a second nickel to a quarter-size drop of shampoo. Then emulsify and distribute as before, massaging it in as you go. You'll see a noticeable difference with the suds. Rinse thoroughly, leaving your hair squeaky clean and ready for your favorite MONAT conditioner.